Alright, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you live in a house or a flat?
I live in a house. It's a two-story house.
This is a very short answer. You need to add some more. I live in a house which is a two-story house. There are 5 bedrooms in my house and we have a beautiful lawn which is adjacent to my house, or which is the part of my house as well, something like that. Okay, don't just say two-story, then you can define it further.
Okay.
All right, now describe your house.
There are 5 bedrooms in my house with attached bathrooms, and there is a kitchen, and in front of a kitchen there is a beautiful terrace, and I have different kind of plants in my terrace. There are some flowers, some vegetables, and many more things.
Very good. Like this you have to answer, okay? Good job. Let's go on. What is your favorite room in your house?
Obviously, my favorite room in my house is my own room, because I decorate my room according to my taste.
I have decorated
my room according to my taste. I choose the color which is my favorite one, and they are the curtain, the bedroom, the bed, and the dressing room. All the things are set it according to my taste.
All the things are decorated, or all the things have been placed according to my taste. Therefore, my bedroom is my most favorite. That's the question. Okay. What have you done to your room to make it look nice?
I used to make my room a good one. I choose the color.
I have chosen
the light green color, and the curtains which are very simple and very elegant. My bed which is very simple, and its color is black. And I have my room. There are not too many things in my room. That's why I trying to make my room is very beautiful.
Okay, so what have you done to my room? So this is what I have done to my room to make it look beautiful. Again, you need to conclude. Okay. Who do you live with? Now you can talk about your family members. Who do you live with?
I live with my parents, my brother, and my sister. We all are enjoying in our house with different activities.
Okay, now listen. You can redesign your answer. Who do you live with? Well, obviously, I live with my family. We are 6 members. First of all, my both parents, and I have a younger brother and elder sister. So altogether, we are 5 people who live in that house. Okay. Just like that. Okay. One last question. Do you plan to live there for a long time, or do you plan to live in this house for a long time?
Yes, I plan to live in my own house, but recently I plan to move abroad to complete my higher education. But after that, I will come back to my own country, and I will prefer to live in my own house.
There should be proper continuity in your answer, right? Not like confused ones. For example, do you plan to live there for a long time? Yes, obviously, I do plan to live in this house for a long time, because this is our private house. But very recently, I have made a plan to study abroad. For that, I'll go to Canada for a couple of years, and after that, I will come back and live here. Something like that. Okay. Organized answer, right? All the things logically and systematically, and they should go on like that, right? Otherwise, your answers are good. Keep it up. Thank you.